Good morning. It's not really morning, it is afternoon. It is 12 o'clock on, what is today? Look at my little calendar. Today is Saturday, the 19th. So I have a few things I want to get done today. Papa is sleeping right now. He's taking his little nap. Today I want to get done. I need to wash clothes because, I mean, you see that pile over there, like right there? It is pretty crazy. But I need to wash clothes. I'm waiting for a few more packages to come in for my husband that I still need to wrap. And actually, I'm actually gonna take something from underneath the tree because he keeps saying that I got him something, so I'm gonna pretend like I didn't get it for him, and then he's gonna just figure it out on Christmas. And then I want to make a body butter. So after pregnancy, my skin has been like dry and, you know, just different. So we went to like this little vegan farmer's market that's over here by where we live. If you guys watched my my story on Instagram, then you would have seen it was really pretty. But yeah, they had really beautiful plants outside, and it was just a really cool place that we found. So yeah, I got some of the stuff here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be making it. So I got some yellow shea butter, and it says it's creamy. And then the oils that I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna use vitamin E oil. I'm going to use almond oil, bio oil, because I love this for my skin, and then coconut oil. So that is what I'm going to be doing later today. But right now I'm going to try and put some clothes in the laundry. I'm gonna put some pants on because as a breastfeeding mom, I'm always naked around here. So I was trying to get things done without waking him up. But he's up now in his little bouncer, so I'm just gonna put some dishes away. And I also have to, oh gosh, he's wide awake. Wide awake now. So he's still chilling, so I'm just gonna go ahead and separate some clothes and start washing some clothes. So this little guy woke up. He's so cute. So I'm gonna see if I can try and put him back to sleep for a little bit so I can kind of do my little body butter thing, but we'll see if that even ends up happening. Say hi. He's growing up so fast, you guys. Like, I can't believe it's gonna be 4 months in a little bit. Look at him. He's just so alert. I love you, Papa. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. So that didn't work. I put him to sleep. He was sleeping for like 5 minutes, and then my mom called, and then he woke up. So my package just arrived, so I'm gonna go ahead and see which package that is, because I have 2 packages that are arriving today. And then we're gonna wrap Daddy's gift, if that's Daddy's gift. Say hi. Say hi. Get all that stuff off your lip. Say hi, Papa. Yeah. I kind of want to do like a house tour, but I'm not finished with everything yet. I still want to put something on this empty wall right here, and then hang up a couple of things on the side of that. And I think my entryway little area is pretty much finished. So maybe I'll show you guys that area. And then for my living room area, I think I just want to put some pictures up in that corner over there, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then that's pretty much it. I bought this like a long time ago, that little planter, but I think I'm gonna move that to the room and maybe put a plant in our room. So that's where I'm at right now. But yeah, I am going to see what's in this package, and I'm gonna put you guys down so I can hold my baby. This is actually not the package I was hoping for, but I do have another one coming later. This is the one with like my dad's little gift, and then I got a jump rope and some mason jar lids. But these are gonna be the lids for soap dispensers. So we're gonna see if this works, because I'm getting these because we bought some soap dispensers from Target, and they were really cute, but for some reason they're starting to get like all moldy, and I don't know what's going on with them. So I'm just gonna replace, we have like a bunch of mason jars here, so I'm just gonna utilize those and use them for our soap dispensers. So yeah, smart idea. We have 3. Papa's over here playing with his toy. He has so many toys. I think I'm going to dedicate that area upstairs that we barely even use. I'm gonna dedicate that area for like his toys. The only thing is I don't like going up and down those stairs. They're like so scary, and I don't, God forbid, like I fall or something with him in my hand. So, but yeah, this is basically what they look like. I got the caps, the tops, and then the pumps, and it comes with a set of 4. So just gonna put that together really quick and then go switch them out in the bathrooms. And I hope, wow, I hope these are like the right length. They look pretty long. I don't think I got the right length. I could have sworn I did. But maybe I can switch them out. Or maybe I can just cut that bottom, you know? Because I have like the ones that are about, yeah, that's not gonna fit. No biggie, we are going to improvise. I am going to cut them a little bit, and we're gonna see how that goes. This is the size mason jar that I have, and these are the tops. It's not gonna fit like that, so I'm gonna take some scissors and cut the bottom. I'm gonna cut like that much off. Now it will fit, and I think I cut it way too short. Oh my gosh, Kimberly. So this is what it will look like. Oh, Papa's crying. This is what it will look like. I'm gonna go. Mama's right here. I'm just gonna put this up really quick. Go. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna go right here. And yeah, don't mind the setup, but that's how it looks. So yeah. Tell the people you were hungry and that's why you were crying, but now you're all better now, right? Are you all better? Is the baby all better? Say hi! Say, why you got this camera in my face, Mama? So I just fed him, so now I am going to try and... First I'm going to go ahead and replace all those soap dispensers with the mason jars. And then I'm going to start making my body butter. Are you excited? Is the baby excited? Oh, You like your mama. So this is what it looks like. So this is a good idea if you want to repurpose all your mason jars. I'm about to go switch the clothes right now, and then when he wakes up, I'm gonna go walk the dog, and then hopefully I get to start my body butter, but I don't know. We'll see, because I'm not in charge here. He is. So I'm gonna see if I can make this really quick while he's sleeping. I'm gonna go ahead and use this creamy shea butter that I got from like a vegan farmer's market, the bio oil, the almond oil, and vitamin E oil and coconut oil. So these are the items I'm going to be using, and I'm gonna put it in this mason jar and then heat it up on the stove in hot water. So this is the container that I'm using, and this is 1 cup. So I'm not really sure how I'm gonna measure this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop some of the shea butter into the mason jar. Actually, this is as much as I'm gonna put in here. And then I'm gonna go in with the the bio oil. And then I'm gonna put some of the vitamin E oil in. I'm just winging everything. This is way too much, y'all. Oh my gosh. So this is what it's looking like. I probably definitely used way too much. So we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here to melt. I literally have no idea what's going on. That is not how you're supposed to do it. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna come back once it's all melted, if it melts like that, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so it's actually starting to melt. And this is what it's looking like. I just have a few more pieces left that I need to melt down. Okay, everything is melted, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into this bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the freezer, and I'm gonna let it stand there for like 30 minutes to an hour. And then I'll be back once that's finished. I still have to walk the dog. Okay, so I took it out of the freezer. It's looking like this. It's pretty solid. I'm gonna go ahead and put him down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and see how this works with me blending it and everything. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to let this like, I don't know, it's really cold, but I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop it into my little container that I have and see how that turns out. This is what it looks like. I probably didn't do it right, so I'm not gonna do it again. I feel like I just basically took, I don't know. I feel like I just did it wrong. But that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.